Yeah, welcome to today's episode. I am the billionaire trader. So in this video, I want to explain a particular concept. I've done the buy model for this. This is the sell model. It is a range model. Like how do you train your range model? So on daily time frame, what you need to do is first to go to line charts. You want to see your V shape or A shape key level. As you can see, we have A shape key level here. And what do we mean by A shape key level? We want to see a breakout to the downside. We want to see something like this. We want to see something like this. A break to the downside. So once we have a break to the downside, we already know that we are bearish. So in this case, we are bearish. We break this particular low here. So our range is now this high and this low. And this low actually serves as our target. So what next do we want to see? Let's go to the candle chart. So on our candle chart, we want to see price get to either this extreme key level here, this particular key level here, or this one here. So when price get there, the first day it rejects. That's what we want to see. The next day, we want to see another rejection. After that second rejection, we want to see 4 hour sweep and break. That's exactly what we are looking for. As you can see, when price actually gets, when it got to this key level here, it's rejected. So the second day, we want to see that price also go to that particular key level as well and reject. And we want to see 4 hour sweep and break. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. So on 4 hours time frame, this for, okay, let me use this. Okay, so the previous day candle actually closed here. So which means the two other candles were formed in the next day. So these two particular candles were formed the following day. So which means it is also rejecting from the same key level, from the same daily key level. And let's go to our line chart to see if you have sweep and break. So on 4 hours time frame, we have this sweep and this break as well. So normally my entry is usually this shoulder. I can also refine it on 2 hours or 1 hour time frame. So yeah, using the shoulder, price did not get to the shoulder. SL above this high. But what do we have? Price invalidates that particular setup. Like it's the SL. But at the same time, price is still around that skill level. So in this case, it may be like maybe the bias is no longer valid. It is still valid. But just wait. What do we need to wait for? We want to see that price actually close below this particular high. Once we have price close below that particular high, then what do we need to do? We can actually engage with it again. Why? Because we already have invalidation of opposing key level. And what do I mean by that? If we have something like, in this case, this is what we have. We have something like this. Okay. Um, we have something like this. We are looking for opportunity to sell. We have something like this. It is expected that price should not close above this area or this area. Like price should use any of these 2 or 3 key level and sell. But if price should now invalidate this particular structure, this particular buy structure, it is in this particular sell structure, it is expected that price should use this key level here and continue to buy. But if price should fail to use this key level and the next candle closed or any candle closed below this particular key level here, it is expected that price is going to use it to continue the sell, because it is now this key level that is supposed to sponsor buy has now been invalidated. It will now be used to sponsor sell. That's exactly what happened here. We have something like this, and price later went back to that key level and continued to sell. That's what I mean by invalidation of opposing key level. And as you can see, price reacted to that key level, then invalidate it. We also have another break, bearish breakout, and price went back to it. Boom, and we have the sell, and we have the sell targeting the external liquidity, which is this low TP it. There's something that actually made me to use this particular example is because it has daily range that I want to use to explain the sell model. It also has sweep and break on 4 hours time frame. It also has reconfirmation. Like the 4 hour sweep and break failed. So it gives us another confirmation to show that it is still going to go in that direction. So in this case, in case if you come across something like this, you know that your bias is still right. So you can still take the trade once you have your reconfirmation. I hope you've learned one or two things from this video. Have a blessed and profitable day.